Hi, Jim from Art in Metal here. If you like our videos, please press the subscribe on the bottom of the screen here somewhere. I'd just like to show you our hydraulic attachment kit for the augers. Now, why would you use this kit as opposed to any of the other kits that we have on our website? You'd use this if you're only going to attach an auger. If you're going to attach something like a hydraulic thumb as well, you'd probably want to go for the larger spool valve kit, which fits on the main control panel, and that gives you a permanent function. Here with this kit you can't use your bucket cylinder while you're using your auger. Good news is you don't need to use the bucket cylinder while you're using your auger, because the auger pivots in the mount on its own. So to attach your auger, just remove the fittings from your cylinder. Now these fittings will lock the cylinder in place. So once they're removed, you can plug your auger straight in. To reattach, plug it back in, and that's it. The kit comes with all the fittings you need to convert from the standard backhoe fittings, lines, fittings, plugs, everything you need. Thank you very much.